Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, we are going to talk about heroes. So you must be wondering, how is heroes related to sales and business? Now, when I realized that heroes is related to sales and business, my perspective and my approach to presentation, to the whole macro view of sales shifted. But before we get into the details, let's talk about heroes in movies. Typically, action movies, you will have heroes, or in some, superheroes. Like Star Wars, we have Luke Skywalker as the hero, and Lord of the Ring, we've seen multiple heroes. But Lord of the Ring is an interesting one because they have multiple heroes, so it will give us a good example later on that I'm going to share. So let's look at the nature of the heroes in these movies. They started out usually quite weak, like Luke Skywalker. He has doubt, he has his lack of confidence. But eventually he saved the day by destroying the Death Star. So typical frame of a hero is they are weak, they have self-doubt, they lack confidence in themselves, but there is this transformation along the way, and eventually they become stronger to save the day. And that's what the audience loves to watch, because somewhere deep right in our heart we have an aspiration, someone that we want to be, or somewhere we want to go, but at this point we can't. And so that hero, we can relate to it because he was weak, he has doubt, he lacks self-confidence just like us. But over a journey of transformation, he becomes who he wants to be, or he saved the day. And that's where we want to aim for as well. When we relate it to sales, who is the hero? Please don't say you. If you think you are the hero in the macro sales environment, your perspective is different. Your pitch, your presentation is also different. The heroes in sales are your customers, are your clients. They are weak, they needed help, they lack confidence, they needed to be somewhere, but at this point in time, they couldn't. And they need you to support them to reach where they want to be, or become who they want to be. You are the Yoda for them. You are not the Luke Skywalker. You understand? You are the coach, you are the mentor to guide them. Your job, your role is to make them successful, not the other way around. Because I've heard or seen salespeople saying this: "Sir, please help me, this is month end, help me to meet my target." If you are saying this, means you are the hero, you make yourself the hero. The customer, the clients are supposed to help you to meet your target, to bring you to where you want to be. That is different. That is a perspective that I don't believe, alright? That I think it is not right. This also shows that the salesperson didn't equip himself with enough sales knowledge or sales skills to do the sale, to close the deal. He has to resort to, "Please help me, this is month end, help me to meet my target." This is not right. I also meet salespeople who say, "Can you do it for me?" Come on. Why would the customer do it for you? They will do it for themselves, not you. So identify who's the heroes in sales. It's your clients, it's your customers. So let's come back to Lord of the Ring. So there are multiple heroes, but who is the actual hero? Gandalf? Aragorn? No, it's actually Frodo. The Hobbit Frodo. Can you see that he's weak? He has a lot of self-doubt. He wanted to give up, but he's the one who saved the day, despite he doesn't have any superpower. And the rest of the fellowship is just there to support Frodo to save the day. So know who's the hero in your sales. That's pretty important, and that will change and shift your perspective and your approach towards sales. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, do like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.